Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix block blast glitch. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon and then tap on the search bar and type in block blast. And now once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app and now check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, and then once you are here, tap on your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you tap on general, here tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the block blast app, and then once you find it, tap on it. And on tapping, you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.